hand or instrument. Not the hand, but sort of a copy of. But congratulations, also well deserved. Put over here. Let's have a picture of this. And number 3 with 24 points, Jens Christian Andersen. Tillykke med den. Tak. Okay. And number 2 with 23 points, we have our own Peter Boye.
Den passer til guldet.
And then the Danish Championship 25 will be to Otto Strandvig, 11 points. There are 2 medals for Otto, one from Dansk Idrætsforbund and one from Danish Sail.
Jeg har noget, jeg skal have lavet derhjemme.
We have 2 more prizes to share. That is actually, we have to count one for the sailor above 60, who had the best, the Danish sailor who had the best ranking. It goes to Otto Strandvig. And this is actually a sort of a copy of Richard's first dinghy from back in some years back.
With the keys in.
With the keys in, yeah. And the official motorbrev is also there somewhere. I saw it yesterday. Then we have the final prize, and that goes to sailors above 70 with the best ranking. And that's sort of the final, the legend. And it goes to our own Frank Rasmussen, the legend of DSB. Frank has promised me to fill it with beers and invite a few good friends. And for all of us not being 70 yet, you know, be patient, your time will come. Congrats. Tak.
Har du nogen, der løber?
Det er også unfair, Frank. Du var det helvede.
Yes.
These are our final words for now.
No, I think I'll be able to read the people anyway. Yeah. So first of all, thank you very much for a good event. I enjoyed that. I also enjoyed the hospitality coming here. I've been living here in my tent. It has been nice waking up, getting directly into breakfast, then going out sailing, and then come in and make your whatever, and come back and have some dinner at night. So everybody, all the sailors, because without the volunteers, this wouldn't be possible. So I know it's hard on your legs, but sailors, please stand up and give a big applause to all the guys. And you who has been doing the job, getting up to sail here, you sit down and then